New 2025, welcome 2026 is a common New Year expression and sentiment often used in articles and social media posts at the end of December. It is not a formal, fixed phrase or title that appear in the same official newspaper every year, but rather dis- descriptive phrase need in heading articles. As the year 2025 draws to close, English newspaper in India and featuring a variety of content, a big goodbye to the current year and welcome 2026. This include article, opinion pieces, holiday guides, and special New Year wishes. Wishes. Major English newspaper in India, such as India Today, the Indian Express, Outlook India, featuring various articles and opinion piece 2025 and the beginning of 2026. 2026. Mm, 2026 bank holiday in India get the national bank holiday for current calendar year and list state-wise regional holidays from what is the special 2025? What is the special in 2025 India? The most important days of India 2025 include Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Constitution Day, November 26. Is tomorrow 7 July 2025 holiday. According to the school's calendar year, July 2025, Muharram is expected to fall on Monday, July 2025 on this day. Many schools across the different Indian states are likely to remain closed. However, the final declaration of holiday may vary from state to state depending on local government guidelines.